In this video, we are going to discuss about hyperlink. So first of all, let's understand what is hyperlink. So hyperlink is the process of connecting two same files or two different files with each other, right? So first of all, let me show you the example of hyperlink. So we need to move on the, let me open the, okay, so yes, so this is the control panel, and in this all the text are created as hyperlink, right? All the text are created as hyperlink. When you click on any text, right, when you click on any text, you will find another page in front of you, right? So this is the process of hyperlink. This is done through the hyperlink. So how can you recognize any text as a hyperlink? When you will find the text blue in color with underline, and when you place the mouse pointer over the text, right, when you place the mouse pointer over the text, you will find that the pointer converted into palm, right? So this is the way how you can recognize the hyperlink, right? So this is the example of hyperlink, and now I will tell you, and I will get you experience how to create the hyperlink, right? So for this, now I would like to give you the process of creating hyperlink in MS Word. So first of all, let me start MS Word. Okay, so this is MS Word, right? So if you need to create hyperlink, first of all you have to type or text. So I have typed NEXT, right? So this is the word I have typed. Now I increase the size, so size is increased. So first of all, to create the hyperlink, you need to type a text and select it, right? So this is the text that help to create the hyperlink, right? So it gets selected. Now go to the insert menu, and in the insert menu you will find the link tab, right? In this tab you will find hyperlink option. So you need to click on it. When you click on it, the hyperlink dialog box get appeared in front of you. So let's understand, your selected text is displayed here, and okay, and the file is to be linked with your selected text. The location is here. You will find the file which to be connected, right? So here is different kinds of file and different file related with the different applications. So let me find the files. So I have to select this book 4, right? So I am getting to connect the file with the Excel file, right? So first of all, let's select it, and when you select it, the address of the file is located here, right? So this is book 4, and the address of this file is containing in C directory, and in the C directory this is the user. Okay, in the user you will find document folder, and the document folder you will find this file, right? So now you will click on OK button. Okay, when you do this, the selected text converted into blue in color with underline, right? And when you move the cursor over the text, you will find an option that is click plus control plus click to follow link. So what you need to first press the control button. So when you press the control button, the cursor converted into palm, right? And just after that, just you need to click on this text. When you click on this text, and here is the Microsoft Office had identified a port entitled security concern. So this is the process of security concern. Just you do not to bother it. Now click on S button, and here is you will find the Excel file get appeared, right? So this is the file connected to that, right? So students, this is the process of connecting or you can say this is the process of creating hyperlink. Now you can also create another hyperlink, right? Like CLI. Click here. You can also connect another file also. Just you need to select it, go to the insert menu, then click on hyperlink option, select any file, just you need to connect it. So I have selected this. The address of the file is located here. Now click on OK button. So the text is converted into blue in color with underline. Then you need to press the control button. When you press the control button, the cursor converted into palm. Then you need to click on this option. You will find here this box, and when you click on S button, you will find the selected file get appeared, right? The linked file get appeared in front of you, right? So I hope you got understand how to create the hyperlink and the process of hyperlink. So now let's end up this session. Thank you.